Right then guys, in today's vlog we're going over there. We're going to Lobos Island on the water taxi. We're going to see what's around, check out the volcano, El Puertito village and the beach. Just see what it's like. Do you know what I mean? It's an excursion at the end of the day, so if you like what you see, click like and subscribe down there. It's absolutely free. Let's get on that boat. So we get picked up here from the water charter shop. Water charter. Just give a picture of the takes. Charter. Just give a picture of the takes you over to the water taxi so you know where you're going, so you get on the right way. Right, so here we are, Lobos Island, which roughly translates to the island of wolves. I don't think there's any wolves here, there's nothing to worry about. But let's go and explore.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest. I'm free, can't nobody take me.
So that sign there just told us that Lobos Island is well known for being the home of the monk seal. Bit of trivia. Love a bit of trivia.
I'm free, can't nobody take me. Here and now, it's my time to run it out.
It's absolutely beautiful on here. The views are just stunning, amazing. All of them rolled into one. All them words, yeah, rolled into one. Absolutely beautiful.
It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me. Here and now, it's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it out. It's your time, ladies, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out, it's time to say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now.
So that sign there tells us that this area of Lobos is the salt plains. They get all the salt evaporated, so evaporation process, and mine the salt, ship it over.
It's my time to ride it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to ride it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it out.
Right, so we're heading towards Montagna. I think I've pronounced that right. But there is no shade on Lobos. Just be aware, if you come in during the summer, this could get pretty ugly and sweaty. Yeah.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess. And you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me.
It's going to be a bit of a challenge, the floor's a bit uneven. But here we go. Ascending the volcano.
Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say.
Right, we finally made it. So let's take a look at some of these views.
What to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream.
Right, I finally feel like it's safe to film again. Coming down, it's a nightmare getting down actually. Well, Kate thinks it's a nightmare getting, but I think it was okay getting up. It was a bit more worrying coming down though. We're going to head to the beach in El Puertito, so we'll see you there. So there's a nice little cafe there where you can and get refreshments, and the food looks absolutely amazing, I must say. Also, I don't know if I've already mentioned it. If I have, then sorry for repeating myself. There's no shade on Lobos, so if you come in the summer when it's really hot, make sure you bring sun cream and water. That's it for this week though. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that you can like and subscribe down there. It's absolutely free. And you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram down there. We'll see you next week. Bye bye.